Hey tubers, well, I'm back here working on the '03 Tundra, and 254,000 miles, it's really showing its age. I'll show you what's going on right now. On the suicide door, this latch has just broken away. So nothing I can do about that. They sell or you can make replacement pieces, but I think I've got a better idea. I'm gonna take a drill a hole through here and zip tie it together. I was holding it together with dental floss, but that seems to have fallen apart. So let's try a more permanent fix. Okay, the drill work is done. And it was much easier to fold it over like this and then drill square in through whatever this little flat face is. Now, I'm gonna try to, where's my zip tie? Put my zip tie in there and get that set up. Okay, so you just feed your zip tie around, get it in the spot, and that should, if you got it right, allow you to lock that piece in there. Oh yeah, that will actually compress the seal. A cheap save for when your Tundra, whatever this is, breaks. Man, that actually is better than the, that's damn good. Well, that's a job well done. I think I'm going to go the extra mile, break out the Swiss Army knife, and really make this an A+ repair. There it is, A+. They make replacement pieces. I've seen them on eBay and that kind of stuff, but wow. I mean, wow, that is good. And that is your zip tie moment. Okay, repair is done, and like it or not, this thing's holding solid. As you can see, where my finger is pointing here, that's the zip tie. And I'm very satisfied with this repair. If the other side breaks, that's how I'm going to fix it. Just drill a hole and thread a zip tie. Perfect.